Hi, I'm Curtis Bartis and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to go over the full app for EasyEquities. In the previous video, I went over the web-based application. That video will be in the EasyEquities playlist down in the description, and there will be a card on top if you want to check more about the application. Straightforward, it's quite the same. The mobile application is a little bit more user-friendly, as you will see today, but if you want to check out the web-based application, the video will be there for you. So once you have downloaded and signed up, all the procedures and how to sign up will be in the web-based application. You can check it out. The link will be down in the description if you want to sign up with EasyEquities to make it easier for you. The link will be on top. So once you have signed up with EasyEquities, this will be the home page. Like I said, if we're going to get into depositing money and withdrawing in the mobile application today, so once you go into the EasyEquities, you will see your total portfolio value. This is all the money you have in your EasyEquities ZAR, your EasyEquities USD, and all the other accounts you have. So let's just start. If you can see, there's about 5 tabs at the bottom. You got your portfolio, you got invest, you got your wish list, you got your notify, and you got your funds. So let's just go start from my funds. So this is where you're going to deposit money into your account to make it see. As you can see, the user interface is quite good and user friendly. So you're going to go to my funds. Now they're going to ask you how you want to deposit funds into your EasyEquity account using the mobile application. As you can see, we're not going to go into Easy Properties and EasyEquities USD. So as I said, that's going to be another topic for another few videos, but we're going to go into ZAR. So you're going to go into your EasyEquities ZAR. Now I'm going to ask you, like I said, this in the web-based application, how you want to deposit funds, how you want to deposit funds into your EasyEquities account. You can do ETF or credit card. Like you're going to do this on your mobile bank application, where you're going to put in these details such as your branch code, your account name, the account number of EasyEquities, and your unique reference. So once you have deposited money into your EasyEquities, it will be displayed by your funds. You can also withdraw your funds once you have made some profits or you sold some stock of a company. So I'm not going to go into the USD and Easy Properties are. So once you go into notify is just where it alerts you of your sales, or you have set a notification of a certain stock which have gone up or down. The wish list is just a wish list of stocks you want to buy in the future. As you can see, Tesla is down 20%. Like this is if you want to set the wish list, for example, of Amazon or Apple or Microsoft or Clicks, Mr. Price, you can do that with your notify or your wish list tab. Next, you got probably where that's probably the one you're going to use the most is your invest tab or section. You're going to click on invest. So now they're going to ask you in which account do you want to invest. So you have your demo accounts. Like I said, if you're new and you want to play around with the demo accounts, you can do that. The EasyEquities gives you 100,000 Rand and $10,000 to experiment with before even testing out and depositing funds to your EasyEquities real account or dollar real account. You can experiment with the demo accounts. So once you have deposited funds into your ZAR, you're going to click on, you want to invest with your ZAR and not the dollar or the properties. You click on ZAR. And now, as you can see, there's quite a few tabs there on top. You got your equities, you got your ETFs, you got your ENTs, you got your equities. So as you can see, you can sort your ETFs by the top 40, by banks, beverages, chemicals, electricals, companies, financial services. So if you click on financial services, you can see this is all the stocks of financial service companies. If you click on building and materials, this is all the stocks of building and material companies. This is sorting the stocks of the companies. So we'll just keep it at the top 40 stocks. So how to invest in stocks on the mobile application. So straightforward, such as on the web-based application, you'll once you have done your research on the company and you have set your mind to buying stocks into this company, you'll click on the stock. So we want to buy in MTM in this demonstration purpose. So as you can see, MTM's stock price at the moment is 110 Rand. The buying ask is 70 and the last price was 73. So the last, you can see here's a chart for the MTM price. It's max, it is 1 year, 6 months, 3 months and 1 month. So we want to buy 200 rands of MTM. As you can see, straightforward. There's the investment amount. The shares we will get is about 2.8 shares into MTM. As you can see, the total value will be 200. The shares would be 2 Rand and 80 cents. The investment cost will be 1 Rand 14 cents, your brokerage cost. And you can see you can add insurance and you can donations if you wanted to. And now you're going to say buy at open. Congratulations, your buy instruction has been placed. We'll take care of the rest. So once the market opens, my buy order for this stock will be successfully placed and I'll be buying shares into MTN. Let's buy shares into another company. So we'll go back to invest, and now we want to invest in Absa. We'll do the exact same thing. As you can see, Absa's stock price has been decreasing with 6% a couple of days. So we'll buy 300 Rand of Absa. You can see the total value will be 300. Your shares would be 50 cents, 0.5 shares, almost half a share, and the investment cost will be 1 Rand 70 cents, and you'll say buy at open. It's that easy to buy shares on EasyEquities. As you can see, congratulations once again. And that is buying shares. So the same thing applies to the selling. You're gonna go to your portfolio, or what your portfolio, you can see here you got your portfolio. As you can see, this is your general portfolio of all your accounts, as your ZAR, your USD and everything. So if you go to your portfolio, this is just your demo accounts, the same as the bottom where you can invest. You're going to go to your ZAR. This is your equities. Is the same on the web-based application, but just in the mobile application version now. Is your equities. You have 200 rands in equities. You have your funds to invest is 400. Your reserved cash is the cash reserved for buying the stocks. The stocks is not bought yet. It's just there reserved until you buy the stocks. You have your income, such as your dividends. Like I said, dividends is also a wide topic. The dividends is your income is just the money you get from the shares you have, the dividends. So you have expenses, is all your brokerage cost. You can see this is your total profit loss on this account. You can see I have 15 cents loss on the account. Total brokerage cost is 18 cents. So if you wanted to sell this Capitec shares we have here, you would click on the account. You will see there buy more if you wanted to buy more, or you can say sell. And you can say well sell, and you can see sell now. And are you sure you want to sell? And you will say sell at open. So that is a quick overview of EasyEquities. There's not a lot to it. It's simply just buying and holding and then selling. That's probably what you're going to do, and earning interest or dividends on the shares you have in the company. That's probably straightforward to investing in shares. You can obviously trade it, but like I said, volatility on stocks, you probably go up with 4%. You sell it for probably like a 5 and 10% increase. Buy it when it's low, sell it when it's high. That's how it goes. But if we're gonna go, I'm probably gonna do how you're gonna transfer money into your US EasyEquities account, where you can buy shares into companies such as Apple and Tesla. So you'll probably go to invest, EasyEquities. As you can see, this is all the American based companies. but I'm going to do a full breakdown video on this, where you can buy shares into that companies, where you have to use the FlexPay to transfer money from your South African to your US based account, and from there you can buy shares into this company. It's a not a complicated process, but it takes a few days for your money to show up in this account, but I'll go over a video on that also. So that was a quick overview of how to buy and sell shares on the mobile application. Like always, if you find value, make sure to subscribe. I'm Curtis Bartis. Until next time, peace out.